Hello, Mr. Ed here. Today is the 27th of August, 2016. I'm back in Pass, Christian, Mississippi. The same house that me and my buddy Randy, the 628 Dirt Rooster, where we pulled out a hive underneath the house right here. Now, Randy's not here right now. He called me, said that the makeup guy has got a little bit, run a little bit behind, and he had to get his makeup put on before he got on the screen today. So I'm waiting for him. But I'm waiting for him. I just came to scope out what the bees looking like. And there, you can see right here, this is where they're entering into the building right here. And then I believe that they're just going in just like the other ones did, underneath the floorboards right there. So we're going to remove that on the comb and pulling it out. And as soon as Randy gets here, after his big, probably get another haircut too. And he gets all his stuff looking pretty, probably smelling good. We'll get this job started. By the grace of God, Randy's going home with some bees tonight. So let's just wait till he shows up and see what happens. Well, folks, look who is pulling up. That's right. Man, oh man. And look, I think, yeah. Well, he's going to say something.
You bring sunshine everywhere you go, don't you?
Look at that, man. The star.
Bring sunshine with you.
The star has arrived, fresh from the makeup. Man, oh man, you know things are going to happen now.
You got him out already? Can't believe you beat me here.
I live closer. What's up, brother? I thought he was leaving. He knew I couldn't do it by myself. That guy's so kind.
Does that mind if I make myself at home?
How long are you gonna stay?
As long as it takes.
That's about 15 minutes there for you. All right, so what's the heavy equipment you brought out this time?
I got a cleaner box this time.
Oh, well, you must have stopped at your daddy's then.
Yeah. It is one of his. Got that pink bottom on it.
I did bring something with me this time. I brought the table this time.
What did you bring?
Huh?
What did you bring?
The table, so we can set it. I don't like working on the ground like you. I kind of like working up. It doesn't matter where you work. You do it. I like that.
You setting up tables and stuff? I'm not used to working with nice
Well, this is,
like this.
we're going to put the coffee stand right here.
Okay. You bring the barbecue grill?
That's it. That's in the. I got the ice chest back here too. Well, there they are, folks. That is a nice, healthy looking hive right there.
There's a roach.
We got some roaches in there. All right, we're gonna start taking these guys out of here. Well, I know this isn't what you would expect to see in a video from Mr. Ed, the chickens and the goats. But to tell you the truth, I've got to actually do this part of the video because my battery ran out of juice. And so I wanted to make an ending for the video. So I came out here at the Abyssal Garden right here to shoot the end of this video. Kind of tell you what happened with the rest of the that little adventure with Randy. As it turned out, we didn't get the queen. Searched high and low, spent probably 45 minutes, an hour looking for her all over. Still didn't catch her. And the other part that you would normally see in my videos would be, you know, the bees in the box and that kind of stuff, what's going on. But I can't show you any of that stuff. But what I can do is I can send you over to Randy's video. He's got all that stuff. You know, he was a lot better prepared than I was. He shot all the video, did a good job on it, and he made his video. So you can, I actually have a link on my video to his video, and you can go to it and see that. I will say that we didn't catch the queen, but 3 days after, when he had gone in there, said that there were like 15 queen cells in there, so they made another queen. We didn't catch the queen, and that they did make a queen cell. I asked him this morning, as a matter of fact, if he had gone in there, and he said no, he still hadn't gone and checked to see if anything had happened. But as far as I know, everything is rocking and rolling with those bees. It really was a good, strong hive. So that's really all I have for you today. And so for me, the chickens, the goats are now left. Thanks for watching. Keep on watching, and I'll be making more. God bless. Mr. Ed, I'm out of here.